He gave us a head nod. Does that count?
Sportsman! Sportsman! Hello!
He gave us a head nod. Does that count?
Yeah! We got 275!
Did you see how he just made it like a turn, like a round trip thing, and then he came back?
My friends are here at the circle and they have signs like for people to honk and like they'll raise money for Japan.
So 275. That's cool.
We can make it to $3. We can make it to dollars.
I can like. Okay,
Yes.
I can live with that. So $3.
How much money is that already?
So
8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
275.
And then
Yeah, 275. Woo!
Honk for Japan, $3!
Come on, Japan! Yeah. No.
Okay, lady.
They probably have kids in the car, so that's probably why.
well, what time do you guys want to leave? At like 3? I don't know, or 4?
It's
4.
Honk if you love Japan.
it's deserted here. Look, another car.
Yes.
No, right there.
Yes,
And
yes,
there's
yes.
this thing
Yes.
right there. Oh,
Honk it.
I'm gonna-
Honk it. Honk it. Honk it. Honk it. Honk it.
Japan!
Honk it. Honk it. No.
Oh, no.
LBC, dude, this guy has to honk.
Way of, like, your sign.
Japan! Japan! Japan, yeah! Yeah, he speeded up. Really bad! Really?
Dude, don't say it so loud. He's gonna come back and like punch you in the face.
He'd be like, yeah, really. Oh, they're so mean.
Oh, you guys gonna go to the pool?
We only have one nice guy. Or like the
I
really
know.
nice guy who's like,
And
and then there was that dude who came
Or
back.
if you need to go to the store,
$3.
you drive by and drop it off.
We're at $3 here.
Yep.
Almost.
$3.
Japan, Japan.
No. I feel so bad now.
Okay, bye.
Yes.
No.
She came back, just not to like.
Just honk it. Honk it, please. We're like begging you right now. Honk it, honk it, honk it, please. Honk it.
But she just looked.
Like, what are they saying?
Support Japan.
Honk it! Support Japan!
She rolled up her window.
That was funny.
I'll make one.
No one cares anymore. Why is that?
No.
Why don't you guys care?
We have 275 right now, so
I thought we were at like $3.
we were, but like,
Almost.
we were
But
almost
no
at
one
3.
wants
anyone
to
have
give
black marker?
25.
No,
Markers?
she has a marker, but I don't know where.
I can't find it. Oh, give me support Japan.
Honk it.
Japan, yay.
Hi. Yeah! 325! No, it's 325. They said she. No, I'm not answering that.
Oh, that was nice. Japan.
Woo! Support it! Support Japan! We're gonna. Oh, he went the other way. That's my.